festival are celebration of that enduring spirit. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable LG Sri Kavinder Gupta for his guidance to make this festival a grand success. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Sri C. LHDC Lay, Sri Advocate Tasi Galjan Lay, whose gracious presence added prestige to this occasion. Your support and encouragement are deeply valued and inspire us to continue preserving and promoting the heritage of Ladakh. I extend my gratitude to guest of honor Sri Siddhant Chaturvedi for his presence and giving us the pleasure of his company. I extend my warm regards to Secretary Tourism Sri Sanjeet Rodriguez for his continuous dedication and taking keen interest in each and every detail of this festival, and with him to Director Tourism Paldan Saab and AD Tourism Lay Miss Padma. I extend my gratitude to all ECs, Secretaries of UT Administration, CCF Sri S. Rajesh, all councillors, directors, ADC, ADDC, ASP Lay, DSPs and administration of UT of Ladakh. To our organizing committee, all religious bodies, civil society organization, Tourist and Hotel Association, Merchant Association, Amma Chowk Pass, Junu Chowk Pass, local cultural troops, artisans and sports team, I truly believe that your tireless dedication and creativity has helped us. You have truly brought this festival to life and given both locals and tourists an unforgettable experience. I would also like to express sincere appreciation to our sponsors, media partners and volunteers without whom this event would not have been possible. To our Ladakh police and security personnel, health workers and administrative staff, I thank you for maintaining safety, order and well-being throughout the festival. And finally, to the people of Ladakh and all our visitors, tourists, thank you for your enthusiastic participation, your warmth and your respect for our culture and environment. As modernity reaches our mountains, Ladakh reminds us that progression and tradition are not opposite, but companions on a shared path. The magnanimity of Ladakh lies not in its vast landscapes alone, but in the open heart of its people who welcome the world with warmth, humility and peace. Every festival we celebrate, every folk tale we pass down is a thread in the grand tapestry of a civilization that values peace, patience and purpose. Ladakh is just not a place on the map, it is a living, breathing, ancient civilization that has stood the test of time, preserving ancient wisdom, art and spirituality amidst the harshest terrains. Ladakh has stood tall for centuries, we stand tall and we will keep standing tall. Ya Juleh Tasidalik.
Thank you so much, sir. That was the Deputy Commissioner of Leh District, Sri Robin Singh Long, IAS. And he has been thanking everyone associated with this beautiful ceremony called Ladakh Festival 2025. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when we talk about Leh District or Leh City, you have this beautiful view of Leh Palace, the grandeur of Leh City. On the grand terrace of Leh Palace, there used to be beautiful dance performance of Shondal, a graceful dance performance performed by the Takshospas, the royal performers of monarch time. So today, as we have all our guests seated, standing in every corner of this beautiful market, you all are our kings and queens. We would like to say Julie to all of you, and the performers are striking their conch shell bells, welcoming bangles, and they are welcoming all of you to Ladakh, specifically all the tourists to Ladakh, and especially to Ladakh Festival. We would like to present, ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful dance called Shondol.